this video, I'm going to tell you guys a quick story about how persistence equals success and how trying and shooting your shot and going for it can really equal true success. So I came to where I had to go today and yesterday because I had to submit some documents so that they could get signed and notarized, and then today I would go back and pick them up. So where I had to go, I drove there. It was about 30 or 40 minutes from where I was staying. I drove there and I found a parking garage. So I parked in the parking garage, and when I was done doing what I had to do, it only took me maybe 5-10 minutes. I came out and there was a guy basically manning the pay station, where as you leave the parking garage, you pay him, and it was $5. And I was on the phone with one of my students, one of my mentees that's in my long-term mentorship program, where I talk to him, if we don't talk every day, I'd be surprised. We pretty much talk every single day. And I was just talking to him about some stuff, and as I pulled up to the guy in the pay station, I said, "Hey man, any discounts? Can I get this for free?" And it wasn't an issue that it was $5. It's nothing, right? But I tried. I shot my shot. So then today, I went back to pick up the documents, and I seen the guy again, and I said, "Hey man, can I get it for free today? I gotta try." I don't know exactly verbatim what I said, but I basically joked with him and said, "Hey, can I get it for free today?" And I handed him my card, and I guess maybe because there's some cameras on the screen, I handed him, or maybe behind me or wherever I'm at, so he didn't want to get in trouble and lose his job. But I said, "Hey, can I get it for free today?" I handed him my card, and he basically waved me to go and handed me my card back. And I just wanted to make this video to kind of talk about how persistence, really just going for it and shooting your shot and trying, can really equate to true success. You don't know if you don't try. And if you try, but you get rejected, or somebody says no, or you don't win the first, the second, the third time, it's not a reason to give up. It's a reason to try again and to try again and to try again. What's the hockey player, Wayne Gretzky? Is that his name? He said, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So if you try and you miss the first time, like yesterday when I tried, he said, "No, I wish I could." But today I came back, same guy. I literally said, "Hey, can I get it for free today?" And it wasn't about, the $5 that I want to pay it, but if you don't try, you'll always miss. So at least try, right? It might not happen right away, but success doesn't happen right away. So if it takes you a week, if it takes you a month, if it takes you 6 months, if it takes you a year, go until you persist, and eventually you'll get it. It's just not going to happen right away, but it will happen. But I think too many people, when they start a business, when they start whatever they want to start, when it doesn't happen right away, they quit, right? I just had somebody hit me up yesterday saying that, "Hey, I'm following what you told me to do, and I've been at it for 2 weeks and I'm not seeing any results." Well, keep going and do it for 4 weeks and do it for 8 weeks. I remember my first real estate deal took me from the time that I learned about how to do the actual business, to do the strategy of real estate I was doing, real estate wholesaling, till I closed and got my check. It was almost a year. The average person, the person who couldn't, keep going, would have said, "This doesn't work." It works. I just didn't get my break. But I can assure you, in success, in life, if you keep going, you will see success. And if you keep trying, you will eventually win. So just wanted to share that story. I thought it was kind of cool how yesterday he said no, but today, I prevailed and I won. So there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.